Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to delete history on Netflix app. To delete history on your Netflix app, open up the Netflix application from your mobile device and make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on My Netflix button at the bottom right corner and then tap on the 3 hamburgers menu at the top right corner. Select Account from the list to open up your account settings. Under Account Settings, scroll down and get to Security and Privacy tab. Tap on Privacy and Data Settings under Security and Privacy. Now this will open up this interface where you can simply scroll down to Viewing Activity and tap on it. You will then be able to see your viewing history for the selected profile. You can also switch to a different profile to view the viewing activity of that specific profile from your Netflix application. Now that is how you will be able to see your viewing history. If you want to delete a viewing history, simply go ahead and get to the content, tap on the little block kind of an icon, a circle with a little line in it, and once you tap on it, click on Hide Series. Go ahead and do that for any other contents out there. If you want to hide all of these activities, scroll all the way down and tap on Hide All. Click on Yes, hide all my viewing activity in order to delete all of these activities. So right after you do that, you will be able to delete your viewing history on Netflix. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.